Can Vaseline really erase wrinkles? You'll be shocked by what it actually does to your skin. Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel name, where we share simple and effective health and beauty tips that really work. Today, we're uncovering the truth about a skincare hack that's gone viral, using Vaseline to erase wrinkles. Vaseline is a brand of petroleum jelly, a thick, waxy substance that locks in moisture. It's been used for over a century for cuts, burns, dry skin, and more. But can it actually fight wrinkles? Wrinkles are caused by dryness, sun damage, and loss of collagen. Vaseline doesn't increase collagen, but it creates a barrier that prevents water loss, helping your skin stay plump and hydrated. Dermatologists call this the occlusive effect. It seals in moisture, which can make fine lines less visible temporarily. Here's how to use Vaseline to get the most benefit. Cleanse your face thoroughly at night. Apply your usual serums or moisturizer, then apply a thin layer of Vaseline on top, especially on wrinkle-prone areas like under the eyes or forehead. Sleep with it on and wash it off in the morning. This method is called slugging, and yes, it works wonders for many. So, Vaseline is good for dry or, aging skin, but it's not ideal for acne-prone or oily skin since Vaseline can trap oil and bacteria if you're not careful. No, Vaseline doesn't erase wrinkles permanently, but by sealing in moisture and improving skin texture, it can really reduce the appearance of fine lines, especially when you use it along with a solid skincare routine. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty tips that actually work. Have you tried Vaseline on your wrinkles? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. See you in the next one.